Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Review Zone. Today, we're exploring the highly anticipated 2025 Mercedes Benz S Class, a pinnacle of luxury and technology. Let's dive into what makes this flagship sedan a standout in its class. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 S Class has been subtly refined. It sports a reimagined front grille, giving it a more dynamic and bold presence. The ultra-slim LED headlights are not just stylish but functional, providing superior illumination and a futuristic touch. The sleek lines and aerodynamic profile enhance its elegant appearance while improving efficiency. The car's sculpted body and refined rear design, including the new LED tail lights, contribute to its modern and sophisticated look. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that redefines luxury. The 2025 S-Class features high-quality materials such as fine leather, real wood, and metal accents. The centerpiece is the new Hyperscreen, an expansive, curved display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster, infotainment system, and passenger screen into one continuous panel. This screen is powered by the latest MBUX system, offering a highly intuitive interface and personalized user experience. The MBUX system is more advanced than ever, with improved voice recognition, augmented reality navigation, and smart AI that learns your preferences. The climate controls, entertainment options, and even the massage settings are all accessible through this high-resolution touchscreen. Under the hood, the 2025 S-Class offers a range of powertrains. The base model is equipped with a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine that balances power and efficiency. For those craving more performance, there is an available 4.0-liter V8 engine, and a top-tier hybrid powertrain option provides both performance and reduced emissions. The driving experience is enhanced by Mercedes' adaptive damping system and advanced air suspension, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. The S-Class features multiple driving modes, allowing drivers to switch between comfort and sport settings based on their preference. Safety remains a cornerstone of the S-Class. The 2025 model includes the latest pre-safe system, which prepares the vehicle and occupants for potential collisions. Enhanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new semi-autonomous driving mode that makes long drives more relaxing and less stressful. At night, the S-Class's advanced night vision system improves visibility, while the customizable ambient lighting system creates a serene and upscale atmosphere inside the cabin. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes Benz S-Class continues to set the benchmark for luxury sedans with its blend of cutting-edge technology, unmatched comfort, and impressive performance. It's more than just a car, it's an experience. Thanks for tuning in to channel name. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates on the latest in automotive excellence. See you next time.